नमस्ते बिटिया, सदा खुश रहो। Myself, Dr. Hemant Vyas, Associate Professor, Head of Department of Surgery, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. And today we are going to study about inguinal hernia. It is an important topic from exam point of view because this question is asked many times. So let's study the anatomy of inguinal canal. So there is inguinal ligament in the inguinal canal. This inguinal canal, which is a triangular slit 3.75 centimeters long above the inner half of inguinal ligament, it is deep to superficial inguinal ring and developed due to the descent of testes in the embryonic life. Now there are two rings, deep inguinal ring and superficial inguinal ring. So first we will study about deep one. Opening in the fascia transversalis, it is 1.25 centimeter above mid inguinal point. Medially it has inferior epigastric artery and spermatic cord in males, around ligament in the females are the content passing from the deep inguinal ring. Then we have superficial inguinal ring. Aponeurosis of external oblique has this opening, superficial inguinal ring, above and lateral to the pubic crest. Spermatic cord, round ligament and ilioinguinal nerves are passing through the superficial inguinal ring. These are the contents. Then Hasselbeck triangle. Hasselbeck triangle is the site of direct hernia. It has medially lateral border of rectus abdominis, and laterally it has inferior epigastric vessel. Inferiorly it is bounded by inguinal ligament, and the floor is formed by fascia transversalis and umbilical fold, obliterate umbilical artery are the contents of Hasselbeck triangle. This is the anatomical weak point of our abdomen from which direct inguinal hernia can come out. Mechanism of preventing hernia. Obliquity of the inguinal canal. जो inguinal canal है हमारे बॉडी में, it is oblique one. That's why जब भी हम स्ट्रेन करते हैं तो उसकी वजह से इनगोइनल जो डीप इनगोइनल रिंग है सुपरफिशियल ये क्लोज हो जाते हैं और वो हर्निया को प्रिवेंट करते हैं. शटर मैकेनिज्म ऑफ फाइबर्स ऑफ इंटरनल ऑब्लिक एंड ट्रांसवर्स एब्डोमिनिस. Then sphincter action of transverse abdominis in internal oblique at deep inguinal ring. Ball valve action of cremasteric muscle and fibers of internal oblique over deep inguinal ring and conjoint tendon are responsible for preventing hernias. ये हम देख सकते हैं इसके अंदर indirect inguinal hernia and direct inguinal hernia. So first, indirect inguinal hernia. It is more common in young individuals, more common on the right side. On the basis of extent, it is divided into bubonosyl, funicular hernia and complete hernia. कवरिंग्स को अगर देखा जाए इसमें तो पेरिटोनियम मिलेगा, एक्स्ट्रा पेरिटोनियल फैट, इंटरनल स्पर्मेटिक फेशिया, क्रीमास्ट्रिक फेशिया, एक्सटर्नल स्पर्मेटिक फेशिया, सुपरफिशियल फेशिया और लास्ट सबसे ऊपर स्किन. डायरेक्ट इंगुइनल हर्निया डायरेक्टली थ्रू द हैसेलबेक ट्रायंगल. इट इज़ एक्वायर्ड. It is more common in elderly and rarely it gets strangulated. The symptoms include pain, discomfort, lump. Systemic symptoms include obstruction, strangulation, predisposing factor, constipation, chronic bronchitis, urinary obstruction and past history. Signs of reducibility, cough, impulse, position, that is differential femoral hernia, get above the swelling and invagination test, ring occlusion test has to be carried out. Rare varieties are interstitial hernia between the muscle layers of abdominal wall. This we will study in the Next case is conservative management indications severe ill health, short life expectancy and refusal of obstruction. So कंजर्वेटिव मैनेजमेंट में हम पेशेंट को ट्रस एडवाइस करते हैं. तो ट्रस क्या होता है? ट्रस इज़ एक ऐसे इलास्टिक बैंड है जिसको हम इनगोइनल हर्निया को प्रिवेंट करने के लिए पेशेंट को प्रिस्क्राइब करते हैं. इसके कुछ कॉन्ट्रा इंडिकेशंस हैं, जैसे कि इफ़ द पर्सन इज़ हैविंग इरिड्यूसिबल हर्निया, अनडिसेंडेड टेस्टिस एंड क्रॉनिक ब्रोंकाइटिस, स्ट्रेनस लिवर associated with large hydrocele and not intelligent enough to position properly. तो ऐसे लोगों के अंदर ट्रस को हम नॉट एडवाइजेबल मानते हैं. देन डेंजर्स इंक्लूड प्रेशर एट्रोपी ऑफ द मसल ऑफ इंगोइनल रीजन, obstruction or strangulation used with partially reducible hernia may cause trauma, and improper cleanliness, unhealthy skin, adhesion between sac and canal and chances of strangulation. ये इसके कॉम्प्लिकेशंस है. ऑपरेटिव ट्रीटमेंट में हर्नियोटॉमी, हर्नियोरैफी और हर्नियोप्लास्टी, ये 3 ऑप्शंस हमारे पास में अवेलेबल रहते हैं. Herniatomy is neck of sac is transfixed, ligated and excised. Infant and children, young men with good musculature are advised this procedure. हर्नियोरैफी में हर्नियोटॉमी प्लस रिपेयर ऑफ पोस्टीरियर वॉल किया जाता है. इट इज़ इंडायरेक्ट यूज्ड इन इंडायरेक्ट हर्नियाज. अडल्ट विद गुड मसल टोन आर एडवाइज दिस प्रोसीजर. हर्नियोप्लास्टी, हर्नियोटॉमी प्लस रीइंफोर्समेंट ऑफ पोस्टीरियर वॉल, दैट इज ऑटोलॉगस फेशियालाटा, external oblique aponeurosis, anterior rectus sheath flap और skin flap. हेट्रोजीनस में प्रोलिन और स्टेनलेस स्टील इसमें यूज़ किया जाता है. इंडिकेशन इंडायरेक्ट हर्निया, डायरेक्ट हर्निया, रिकरेंट हर्निया एंड प्रीडिस्पोजिंग फैक्टर. अगर क्रॉनिक कफ है तो इसमें हम इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Treatment of strangulated hernia, emergency surgery has to be carried out. Resuscitation and reduction of hernia, that is foot and elevation, ice pack, NG and IV fluids, then analgesic and antibiotics. Assess viability, green black color, flaccid, lusterless appearance, no peristalsis, blood stain, foul smelling fluid is sac. उसके बाद bowel non viable, linear patch of gangrene, loop of bowel and bowel large intestine exteriorization has to be looked for. Recurrent inguinal hernia, types of hernia में sliding, large long standing, large direct hernias, and types of patients, chronic cough and inadequate preoperative preparations are responsible for recurrent inguinal hernias. Then operative faults like failure to ligate sac, tension in repair, use of absorbable sutures, bleeding, infection, fault in selection of operation, and post-operative care में wound infection, lifting heavy weight, persistence of predisposing factor and appearance of new hernia. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth. Hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. Thank you very much.